Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can properly uninstall your NVIDIA, AMD or Intel GPU drivers using DDU, the safest tool for a clean graphics driver reset. So if your PC has screen flickering or maybe FPS drops, crashes, or you are switching GPUs, this is a tutorial you need. Alright, so let's just start it. So first I'm going to tell you what DDU means. So DDU stands for Display Driver Uninstaller. So it completely removes all leftover GPU driver files, registry entries, and also hidden components that a normal uninstaller usually miss. So this will help you fix bugs, boost performance, and ensure your new drivers install cleanly. So first, what you need to do is just open your browser and go to the official Wagner Software's website. This one. You can just find it in here and go to the DDU options. And here you can just scroll down and click on download and extract the zip file. You can just click on read more, and here you can just click on download. Okay, and once it extracted, you can just open the DDU folder. So DDU works best in safe mode, but it also works outside it. So to enter the safe mode, you can just go to the settings and head into the system. Click on system in here, find the recovery options, this one, and then here you can just click on restart now. And after that, you can just select troubleshoot, go to the advanced options, start up settings, and go to safe mode. So your PC will reboot with minimal drivers. After that, you can just open the DDU exe file, and on the right panel you can choose your GPU brand, whether it's NVIDIA, AMD or Intel. And after that, you can just click on clean and start. So this will remove every trace of your current GPU driver and reboot your PC automatically. And after that, you can just go to the official driver websites for your GPU brand. For example, for mine, I'm using AMD, so I'm going to go with amd.com. So if you are using NVIDIA, you can go to the nvidia.com for GeForce, amd.com for Radeon, like I do in here, intel.com for ARC or UHD graphics. So just download and install the latest drivers versions, and this will give you a fresh, clean install with zero old files to mess things up. And that's it. You know now how to properly uninstall and reinstall your GPU drivers using DDU for a fresh, clean setup. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and also drop a comment. And don't forget to click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.